Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Sony Xperia, it is come the Sony Xperia Compact, maybe in Japan only, and this is the Sony Xperia S2. Report began surfing last year regarding the compact Sony Xperia smartphone. An Xperia smartphone render leaked with a 5.5-inch screen and a dual camera. While many we are excited about the possibility of the return of the Sony popular compact series, it seems that the leaked render depicted a mid-ranger smartphone, which contracted that the compact series, which always used flagship internal in a small size. A new report from the Android Next pointed out that although the leaked smartphone render depicted a small smartphone, it would not the fact be a true compact. Rather, the report quoted on a Weibo post that they said there will be no global variant for this 5.5-inch compact Xperia, the upcoming smartphone from Sony. The Weibo post says that the smartphone in the render, which you see in these images, is actually a successor to the original Sony Xperia S. As such, this new S2 Sony Xperia would have a limited release only Japan under the Nation Docomo wireless carrier. According to Android Next, the Xperia phone may be powered by the Snapdragon 695G. Meanwhile, the 5.5-inch display has a notch cutout for the selfie camera. It won't have a 21 by 9 aspect ratio, and it'll have the dedicated camera button, integrated fingerprint scanner, and the power key and a headphone jack. There is also a dual camera setup on the backside. It looks like the iPhone X and XS Max. So this is the upcoming Sony Xperia Compact. Maybe it's called Xperia S2. Let me know in the comment section. Are you waiting for the upcoming Sony Xperia smartphone? I also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.